I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hello universe, it's me again. Shout out sa mga Marcos loyalist supporters Filipino and OFW May 18, 2026. Nako po mga kababayan. Siyempre, kasalukuyang tinutugis si Bato or inalam si Bato kung nasaan nga ba. Dahil nga sa kanyang warrant of arrest, galing sa ICC, Crimes Against Humanity ang charge sa kanya. Ngayon, minsan nagkanda totoo yung mga hinala natin. Who's next? Well, the next goes to tantaran, sabay ganun ano. So anyway, si Bongo, alam din po natin nung nagsalita ang ICC tungkol kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa kanyang kasong Crime Against Humanity. Sinabi ng ICC ay mayroon pong co-perpetrators. My gosh, siyempre nauna dito ang kalbo na pinatakas ng isang siraulo. Ayan, ngayon may napipintig. So ibig sabihin mayroon nakapost dito, sabi ng Manila Standard, mga kababayan, na si Senator Bongo is the next on the list of ICC for warrant of arrest. Naks naman. Ibig sabihin mga kababayan, kung si Bato ay tumakas dahil natakot sa warrant of arrest ng ICC, so ibig sabihin guilty, hindi niya kayang harapin ang kanyang mga kaso na siya po ay may involvement sa EJK. Yan. Masyadong kampante. Akala kasi walang batas na tutugis. So sabi dito mga kababayan, ayan, si Bongo ay medyo tagilid mga beswa. Ano kaya ang kapalagayan nyo tungkol dito sa post ng Manila Standard? Nako po. Alam din naman po natin mga kababayan, kasama rin po ito. Hindi lang po yan. Yung mga dating PNP chief pa. PNP chief ba yun? Si Albay Alde. At saka si Danao, guys. Kasama po yan. Of course, si Aguirre pa. No? So, antabayan natin po yan. Ang pag-issue ng warrant of arrest laban sa kanila. Hindi naman po isahan yan. Isa-isa. Kumbaga, ano yan kumbaga, isa-isahan lang. Kumbaga, sunod. So, I think, sunod-sunod na yan. Sabi po dito, mga kababayan, ayan one day ago, ICC to release warrant versus Senator Bongo next. Sabi ni Trillanes. Alam nyo guys, sabi nga ng ibang mga DDS, yung mga warrant of arrest ng ICC laban kay Bato before, hindi po sila naniniwala. Sabi ng iba, chismis lang. Lalo't pag galing daw kay dating Senator Trillanes, kasi parang aso daw nagbabarking everywhere. Pero hindi na alam na ang si dating Senator Trillanes ay matindi rin ang galawan niyan guys, at sa kanyang intel So hindi natin pwedeng ismolin dahil isa rin sa mga nakakatulong na pag-aresto dito kay Digong sa pamamagitan po ng ibig sabihin, isa rin si Trillanes nakakatulong kung bakit nakulong si Digong, sapagkat sila po 2017 nag-file sila ng kaso laban sa kay Digong sa ICC. Sabi dito mga kababayan, basahin natin para kompleto detalyado. Sabi dito, the International Criminal Court, which is ang ICC, will release an arrest warrants against Senator Bongo next in the coming months. Agree, former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV said on Thursday. Hindi nyo pwedeng ismolin si Trillanes kung magsalita yan. Lahat po ng sinabi niya may katotohanan yan. Laging, for sure, baka pumupunta yan sa dahik. Alamin ang katotohanan. Agay, kaya abangan po natin yan mga beswa. Hindi po nagsasalita ng yan, ng kasinungalingan. Lahat yan may katotohanan. So abangan po natin yan. Kaya sabi po dito, tuloy, the other co-perpetrators have no warrants yet, but the one for Bongo that is forthcoming in the few months. Agay, the warrant for Senator Bongo is ripe, so to speak. and next for former Philippines National Police Chief. O, tama nga yung sinabi ko, di ba? General Oscar Albayalde, agay, that is still several months away, Trillanes said in DZMM interview. Kaya pagsikapin po natin for the next administration, guys, na dapat kaalyado ni PBBM ang mananalo. Dahil kung galing sa mga duta yan, nako, sigurado lahat yan hindi matutupad. Pag nanalo yung ibubuto natin, yung i-endorse ni Pangulong Marcos Jr., natural, sigurado yan, swak sa banga ang mga ito. Makukulong yan. So sabi dito, guys, tuloy. Sabi dyan, in February de la Rosa go, Albayalde pala. Sorry po. And 5 others were identified as a co-perpetrators in the crimes against humanity trial of former President Rodrigo Duterte. Documents released by the ICC prosecutors showed. Ayan, mga kababayan, lagot. Other individuals also identified as indirect co-perpetrators were former PNP official Vicente Danao, ayan guys, Camilo Casculan and Isidro Las Piñas, as well as former National Bureau of Investigation Director Dante Giran and former Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre. Nako po, sabi nga ni Mr. Aguirre, dito siya natatakot harapin niya. Di mas maganda, di ba? Kung wala ka naman tinatago, why naman matakot ka? Pero pag di ba, harapin mo. Kung may tinatago ka, sigurado magtatago ka tulad ni Bato. Guys, kahit sino man siguro sa inyo, masasabi niyo, bakit kaya nagtatago si Bato? Hindi niya kayang harapin yung kaso niya. Natural, guilty. Ibig sabihin, sangkot. Go earlier denied the allegation, saying that the allegation go beyond his scope of working during the Duterte administration. I dispute these allegations, which are entirely unfounded, one-sided, unfair, and bear no relations to the reality of my roles and responsibility during my service as Special Assistant to the President from June 2016 to October 2018, as well as Executive Assistant to the Mayor of Davao City from 1998 to 2016. Go said, wala kang magagawa. Malaki ang ebidensya laban sa'yo kahit ano bang sasabihin mo. People are not believe you. Go, 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 go. Bongo. It's your time to leave this country and stay at the Hague. Nox naman, guys. He said he merely performed administrative and clerical work which were not related to police matter. As a companion of former President Rodrigo Duterte, which is a PRD, and public service from when he was still mayor until I became a special assistant to the president before being elected senator. He never gave me an illegal order, nor would I follow my illegal order from anyone, Go said. The only aim of the former President Duterte was to cleanse our country and fight those who spread terror, especially when it comes to drug. He added, sinungaling ka. Yung poon mo, protector nga yan sabi ni Mr. Las Cañas How can you say that? Your denying is not acceptable. Diba? According to the ICC prosecution document, Duterte and his co-perpetrators shared a common plan or agreement to neutralize alleged criminals in the Philippines, including those perceived or alleged to be associated with the drugs or use, sale, or production through violence crimes, including murder. Ayan, guys, As si prosecutor have charged Duterte with the 3 counts of crimes against humanity, alleging his involvement in the list 76 murder between the 2013 and 2018 as a part of his war on drugs. Ayan, guys, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Sinabi pa dito, editor's note, this story has been updated, originally posted with the headline, Trillanes ICC arrest warrant versus Bongo months away. Oh my gosh, lapit na, guys. Sana soon as possible or next week na. Nang sa ganun, malalagas na sila dyan sa majority. Yan yung bagong liderato. Majority naman yan 'di ba? Nang sa ganun pag nalaga sila, pag ituloy-tuloy yung impeachment na yan, pagdating ng butuhan, panalo ang taong bayan. Oh, 'di ba mga beso? Titingnan natin ang magiging checkmate sa pinakadulo. So yun mga bes, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Sabi po ng mga nagko-comment, sabi nga sa kanta ni Kichi Nadal, run fast if you can. I'm gonna get you away. There's nowhere to hide, baby. Please don't run. Just face the trials. The case against you. Nox naman guys. Tinugtungan ko lang. The next one, on the run. Of course. May magtatago at pasasahurin na naman nang hindi nagtatrabaho ang taong bayan. Same like Bato did. Basta sabi niya, sure yan. Yes! I trust the ex-Senator Trillanes. May ano yan guys, may sariling kaalaman at intel for sure. I guess there will be second seats in the Senate. Maybe best improved na drama or better script than the first one. Let's see guys. The grand reunion in the heck. Magkakasama sila na mag-amo. Okay, another tago, another obstruction of justice, another drama, another action scene. Yes, let's see and we will wait what will happen. The time it's coming guys. Another salvo of the warning shot. That maybe siguro, hindi siguro pamalag ito, baka kusa na lang sasama Yes, sunod na si Mang Richie, then Wikari Wikiri, then Albayaldi, the Ninja Cup. Yes, go maganda to guys, magandang pangitain nito, no? Malapit na tayo sa exciting part. So yun mga kababayan, ano ang masasabi nyo dito? Well, ang masasabi ko, as long as na or legit yung warrant galing sa ICC, wala tayong pag-alala, makukulong na mga yan doon at susunod sila para alagaan ang kanilang amo. So yun mga beswang, ang aking pinaka-latest updates. Ayan, thank you for watching, follow me and likes, hit the bell para lagi kayong update sa aking mga bagong video. Salamat supportan nyo mga beswa. Thank you po. May 18, 2026. See you again. Bye. And babus. God bless Philippines. There's more.